Now, the pen down feature is useful if you want to draw something. So let's say I want to draw shapes. Here I'm drawing a line. First, I did pen down. You can see this pen down. I can make the pen color anything I want. So it's if you click on here, turn brown. Click on here, turn blue. You have to click on something with that color, and then you can put in that color. So let's make it green. Now here, and I want to move 100 steps. So when the flag, oh, actually I didn't erase the first one, you can clear. So I have here another event when a space is pressed clear. So it cleared it, and now I can hit this, and I did a move 100 steps. So here you can see that I made the line, and it's green. Now I want to clear to hit space. Okay. Now I want to actually turn. I want to make a square. Let's see if we can make a square together. Go to motion. Turn. I want to turn 90 degrees. How would I make a square? 100, 90. Do that again. You do it 4 times. Move 100, turn 90. Move 100, turn 90. You could also put it in a loop, which would be better, and I will, and we'll learn about loops. But for now, I'm not going to do a loop. I'm going to do it over and over and over again. Okay, 100, turn 90. Okay, I'll do it twice for now. Let's see what happens. Hit my flag. Okay, I'm still going. So let's do it 2 more times. This is why a loop is good. In a loop, you don't have to do this in so many steps. You can just say how many times you want it to repeat, and we'll learn about loops. Okay, so 100. I don't even need this last one. All right, but whatever. Okay. 100. All right, let's see if we get our square. Clear it. Okay, let's see what happens. Woo! So we got our square. See? We drew a nice square. Now, I want to show you something. Clear it. I want to show you a loop. I know I'm cheating. I'm going ahead. But it feels painful to do something with so many steps and it takes so long when I can just use a loop and say, well, let's do that 4 times. That makes more sense than, what if I was doing something 100 times? Would I go and put this over and over and over and over again? All right, let's try that. How nice is that? We got our square, and we did much less steps instead of having to say it over and over and over again. So here you were able to see that the pen feature helped me draw a square.